Oh. Here. Giant largemouth bass. Guys, what do you think? How much does this bass weigh? What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Bindee Vang Fishing. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. But dude, tomorrow we are gonna be going fishing, all right? But we are gonna be going fishing on the kayak. As you guys see there, my Vibe Seagulls 130, which I actually won from a fishing raffle from my buddy Daniel Zimmershine. So shout out to you, brother, if you're watching this. You the GOAT. But anyways, guys, let me show you guys what I have rigged up for tomorrow. Because tomorrow morning, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a little dark before I get on the water. So let's do that intro right now, okay? As you guys can see here on my Antares setup here with the Conquest. I believe this is the 903 MBR 7.6 medium heavy fast action, alright? And this is with the Chartreuse Terminator spinnerbait, alright? I'm going to be using this to cover some water. Another thing I'll be throwing tomorrow right here is just a chatterbait. Here is an older one that I have for quite some time. I'm not throwing the fancy ones because the lake that I'm going to tomorrow has a lot of freaking pike. So I'm not trying to risk it all for that. Next thing over here, we got just a plain old T-rig here. I got the report from a pal that these fish are holding close to shallow waters, as they should be. But this is pretty much just on my Bantam X Pride setup. Freaking nice setup, dude, not gonna lie. And right here, as you guys know, some of you guys who are following my Facebook page know that I actually caught a swim bait fish just early in the day today. So I actually got that guy. So guys, if you're interested in following me on Facebook, go ahead and check that out in the link below, because we post some dope stuff and hella updates, alright? But pretty much is on my Scorpion setup here. Okay, enough chit-chatting, guys. This is my kayak. As you guys can see, I will be going to an awesome fire lake tomorrow. So other than that, guys, I will see you on the freaking waters. Let's go. So here goes my complete rig. If you guys are wondering, this is the Vibe Seagulls 130. As you guys can see there, my ghetto rigged battery. I don't have a lithium type battery for my kayak yet because those are expensive, and that's not what I have planned yet for. So rod storage right there, as you guys can see right there, bam bam, pretty straightforward. Nice seats, trolling motor rigged up to the side over there, everything you really need. Well guys, it looks like we are finally on the waters. Woo! Freaking finally, boys. Let's go get some fishing done, dude. You know, the thing about kayak fishing is it takes a lot of work, but it's pretty fun though. Now we just fish, guys. Let's see if we can catch some tanks today. The goal is to catch some giant, enormous bass. Right now it should be pre-spawn in full effect. Got my little chatterbait here. Just the original. Fish on. Feels like a pike. Man, I forgot how strong fish feel like on the kayaks, dude. It's insane. Nice little fat pike here. Not what we are after, but a fish is a fish. I would take that. See a slime ball? Ugh. There's some pikes in this water, but it looks like they keyed on to like it. This is a fish. Wow, so as soon as I changed from that big spinnerbait to a smaller profile lure, started catching fish immediately. That's good. Maybe they want to key into something small, more aggressive. Another one. Feels like a bass. Oh, nope, another snake. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, quick release. Even better. Wow. That lure change made all the difference. So for this specific body of water, I did catch a 6-pounder out of here. One of my first 6-pounders ever. think that was back in like 2016 or whatever. Also caught it with a chatterbait too. So that's kind of tough. That's kind of funny. It might even be the same one I have on right now too. Believe it or not. And also know some other people who caught 6. Oh. Oh, dude. What is this? Bass? Just as I was saying that, guys, holy crap, we freaking catch a donkey on this freaking chatterbait, the cheap one that I had for many years. Check that out, boys. Look at that. Look at that largemouth bass. Beautiful largemouth bass on that chatterbait. Looks about like a 3-pounder. What do you guys say? We're not gonna weigh our fish unless we know it's absolutely ginormous, a fish over 20 inches. Then we'll weigh it. Other than that, I'm guessing this is gonna be a nice bass, guys. Let's get him on the board. Oh, dang. Might be a 4-pounder. Well, nope. As you guys can see here, we got 18 inches on this guy. Let him go now. First fish of the day, 18 inches. That's nice. Come on. New fish. Someone's gonna want to eat the mag draft. Come on. Oh, that was a freaking thump, dude. Oh, that was a pike, dude. Look at this, dude. This thing is ripped up. Come on. What the frick? Pike ate it on the fall. That's the gator. See you, buddy. Feels like a pike still. It's like the same one we caught. Might have to take out the spinnerbait ball, but I'm gonna catch it. Let it run. He's a pike. Damn, it's like loaded with pikes, guys. Water got my face. Woo-hoo. Crazy, dude. Woo. This dude just did like a flare 90, dude. Oh. It's crazy. Might just be a pike fishing day, boys. It might be the chartreuse that's attracting these pikes. Oh, it's got dumped. Dang, all these bait fish out here. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, is this a bass or a pike? It looks like a pike. That's a pretty big pike. Oh my goodness. Insane. This is a big pike, guys. It's like a 30-incher. Ooh. Ooh. It's a pike day, man. Look at that gator. Oh my goodness, guys. What a freaking tank. Monster gator. Ooh. Oh my goodness, dude. He's putting on a show. A freaking gator, dude. Oh, nope, nope. No! Freaking pike, dude. Made me lose my catch board. No! Well, that is just fantastic now. Ah, so dumb. I should use my net, dude. Oh my goodness. This thing's pretty bad too. Oh, look at this pike, guys. Giant pike. I guess we'll show him to the camera since we got him already, but check out those razors on this guy. Oh, thank you, I guess. Holy crap, what a giant fish. Off this little chartreuse Terminator swim blade. Spinnerbait here, guys. Pikes are going stupid nuts for this right now. Throw a mag draft out there. Mag draft just might. Oh, I freaking got a fish. Oh, another slime ball out there. Not gonna lie, even though I'm catching all these pike in the morning, it's still pretty fun to set the hook on these fellas. They're freaking just crushing everything out here. So from what I hear, pikes, they spawn first as soon as the ice melts, and once they're done spawning, they get pretty aggressive, and I think that's why they're out here chasing all these bayfish. And then now a lot of the bass and panfish are moving really shallow to spawn. It's like they're taking turns. Throw the chatterbaits. Oh, this is another pike. That's like nothing but pikes out here, guys. Oh, I jacked up my freaking lure. Looks like there's a lot of fish in these little cattails here. I gotta stick to the Texas rig. There's a pike shallow. Everything is shallow. Got him. Knew it. The bass was gonna be shallow. Hell yeah, I haven't had a bass for a while. There you go, boys. Nice little 3-pounder, I guess. And the red craw tube. This is what we come out here for. All these largemouth bass. Whew. I'd say like another 17-incher. It just sucks that we lost our freaking catch board, so now we can't measure the length. For sure, it's gotta be a 310 or something. Beautiful largemouth bass. When we catch a bass that we know for sure is gonna break 5 pounds, we then will weigh that fish. But for now, we can go ahead and let this bass go. Beautiful largemouth bass. See you, buddy. Yeah, sir. Let me show you guys what I was using here. It's just a little 8-ounce lead weight with a O-ring T-rig with a Big Bites Baits craw tube, red and green pumpkin. So the wind today is absolutely amazing, as you guys can see. There's another one on the fall. Swimming right towards me. Oh God, hopefully it's not pike. It's a little strong. Come on, please don't be a pike. Oh, big bass, big bass. Oh, there's a big bass. Big bass, big bass, big bass, big bass. Freaking glad I figured out the pattern. Oh yeah. Oh, this bass is really, really big, dudes. Oh my goodness. Oh, this might break 5 or even 6 pounds maybe. Oh my god. On the red craw tube there. Look at this, guys. This is a behemoth largemouth bass, guys. This is what we've been waiting for. Look at this. Oh, what? It's so crazy. Giant largemouth bass. Guys, what do you think? How much does this bass weigh? 4 pounds? 5 pounds? Breaking 6 pounds? I don't know. I wish I had my catch board to measure the length of the fish, but dude, this thing is a freaking tank, dude. Get away on this fish right now. Oh, come on. Let's see how much this bass weighs. Yep. We broke 5 pounds today, guys. 5 pounds, 7 ounces. 5 pounds, 7 ounces. Oh yeah, dudes. Let's take a look at this beast one more time here. Oh, behemoth largemouth bass, guys. Just an absolute Minnesota giant hog, dude. See ya, big mama. Thank you so much for fighting. Go ahead and go spawn some more largemouth bass for us to catch. See ya, pal. Woohoo! Wow. Crazy. I didn't really feel a bite. I kind of just cast it there, let it sit, and then I just felt a fish. That's spring bass fishing at its finest. Just absolutely doing nothing. And when you do something, you catch all those pikes. Oh yeah, that 5.5 is a new PB of the year, huh? Big one. Oh, that was crazy. They look about the same size I've been seeing back here. A 2-3 pounder. Got under the boat. They're in here. Strike my freaking rig pretty good. Just cruising these shallow waters. No beds yet like that I could see of. But they're in here. See ya, buddy? That's a fish. Smaller guy. Male. Dang, it actually got bigger. No way, dude. That fish was not small. It looked like another 5. I have a freaking net. Come on, Bindee. So dumb. Whew. Well, guys. I should definitely start using my net more. So stupid. Idiot. Could have used the net. I know I was a freaking monster. Did you see the head on that thing? It looked small, but dude, it was actually pretty big. Big one. That was another good one. You win some, you lose some, guys. This is why you go bass fishing. Because when you lose them, man, it hurts. I haven't caught a fish in a while, guys. Right now it's about to break 10 a.m. so still got some pretty decent bite left. The sun is in the sky nice and high. No more overcast, but scattered clouds. Should get some nice fish. What was that? That's a fish. Oh, what the hell? That was certainly a fish, guys. I can actually see fish. Oh, that's another one here on the jig. Ooh. There's another nice one. I haven't caught a bass for a while. Feels good. Call this one a black and blue jig. Looks like a nice male. Whew. Just catching it just right on the edge here where they expect it to be pre-spawno. Hey, buddy. Oh, that's a fish, guys. Nice little 3-pound largemouth bass here, probably a male. Woo! That felt so good. They're still biting, guys. Still crushing it. See you, pal. Fish on. Woo! Another bass here. Texas rig Senko. When all else fails, use Senko. You know this for sure, don't you, huh, Stefan? Little 3-pounder. This is my type of fishing. Oh yeah, smallest bass I've caught all day today, guys. See ya, buddy. Oh, this is a good one. Oh gosh, this is a good fish. Keep pressure on it. We got him pretty good. Woo! Probably the biggest bass I've seen back here for a while. Woo! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Look at this, dude. That is a nice bass, guys. Holy Jesus Christ! Had him good. Had him good. Come on. Oh, 3 pounds and 7 ounces. Let you go. Everything around you will become supersized. Water temp should be good enough, guys. Oh. Oh, crap. See a gator? Pike. Oh, it's just pikes, bro. Oh, we got that one. Oh my god. Oh, this is a big bass. Oh my goodness, dude. Holy crap, dude. Oh my god. Dude, as soon as this thing hit the bottom, this bass just came out and freaking smoked it, dude. Oh my goodness, dude. Look at the way he freaking choked the frog, dude. Inhaled it. Oh my goodness. This has got to be like a 4-pounder now, dude. I gotta say, dude. Oh, freaking just smoked the frog, dude. This is what we've been waiting for, dude. Hell yeah. Freaking fatty, dude. Freaking nice largemouth bass, guys. Hell yeah. After not catching one for a long time, I knew I had to switch something up. But dude, the way this bass hit that top water was nuts, dude. It was like a freaking bomb. 3 pounds, 15 ounces. Almost 1 ounce away from being a 4-pound bass. Look at this beautiful bass, guys. This dude is so aggressive. This is like Moby from Bama Bass. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Awesome fishing, guys. Well, we'll let this guy go now. Back down he goes. Freaking crazy, dude. Woo, guys, looks like we are finally done fishing for the day, and what a freaking day it was. I mean, like, I knew that if we came and fished this lake on the kayak, it would be a good day, right? But I did not expect it to be this good. Yes, I know I did lose 2 big bass, all right? But I think that's just how it is in the game, in the sport, you know? Because, you know, even though you think that you can be so well prepared for every situation, there is always going to be certain situations where you're not prepared for, right? Because I don't know, when I lost that big bass, it looked like it was similar to the 5-pounder, but it's hard to say if it was bigger. I don't know. What a fun day though. I mean, like, I'm not complaining. I mean, that's just how it is. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. That's just how it is. I am grateful and happy that I caught all these fish, and with all these different techniques, like literally top water, spinner baits, chatter baits, Texas rigs, jigs, like everything was crushing them. Like, they were all like in shallow waters, just like spawning, post spawn. No, I would say pre-spawn to spawn, because a lot of the fish that I saw that were in their beds was a lot of those 2 to 3 pound males, you know. So they are getting ready. So it should be any time now where you should see some big females on beds. But for now, it's just gonna be 2-3 pound males. But other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to like the video if you thought it was dope. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. You know we will always be fishing, so you guys are more than welcome to join us on our fishing adventures. But other than that, guys, I'll see ya on the next one. Peace out.